Hello boys and girls, welcome to our math lesson for today. If you remember last week we were learning about 2D shapes that are flat, and we introduced our first 3D shape, which was a sphere. Now today we're going to learn a few more 3D shapes, but first come over to see a special 10 frame I brought from school. 10 frame, remember it has 10 boxes. This 10 frame is going to help us to remember something we've learned before. That's called a review. We're going to be reviewing some teen numbers using our 10 frame. So I brought 10 red circles. Let's fill the 10 frame with red circles. Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, of course, we know there's 10 because all the boxes are filled. So we can count by ones. Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or we can count it the fast way by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, the 10 frame is going to help us with our teen game. I also brought some blues to be our leftovers. So we'll shuffle our cards. We'll pick the first game card, which says, help me read it, 10 plus 5. If I have a 10 frame and I show 5 leftover circles, what is my teen number? 10 and 5. Well, you can count it 10 and then count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or you could count it by fives. 5, 10, 15. Let's go through our teen number cards. We found it. Another name for 15 is 10 plus 5. And of course it starts with a 1. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. Let's find our next card. This one says 10 plus 3. So we need our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3 leftovers. What is another name for 10 plus 3? Oh, kiss your brain if you knew it. 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. Let's pick our next card. We've got a 10 and 1 left over. Oh, this one's very easy. What comes right after 10 when you're counting? Kiss your brain if you knew it. 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. Help me read our next card. 10 plus 7. This time we need 7 leftovers. Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our number, 10 and 7 makes 17. 1 and a 7. All right, our next card says 10 plus 4. So 4 leftovers. 10, let's count it up. 11, 12, 13, 14. Another name for 10 plus 4 is 14. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. We're getting all these correct, boys and girls. We have 10 plus 6. So 10 in our 10 frame. Let's have 6 leftovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more makes 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. Think about if you take the 6 and you put it over the 0. 1 and a 6. 16. All right, our next card. 10, and this time 2 leftovers. 10, and we count up twice. 11, 12. Another name for 12 is 10 plus 2. We've got 2 to go, boys and girls. Ooh, a big one. 10, and now we need 8 in the leftovers. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 plus 8 makes 18. And we've got one last one. We need to pick our card. 10 and 9 leftovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one's a higher one. We might have to count it, so let's start with 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Kiss your brain if you knew it. We have reviewed all the teen numbers. Let's say them in order together. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Give yourself 2 thumbs up for our number review. Now, boys and girls, back to our 3D shapes. Remember last week we talked about the sphere. It is a solid shape. It has no vertices, no sides, and we said that it does roll. I looked for another sphere at home and I found a little ball. It is not flat, so it's a 3D shape. Our new shape for today is a shape that you sometimes see us playing with at school. It's called a cube. Let's open up our card for cube and read what it says. There's a picture of a cube. A cube is a solid figure. Each side is a square. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flat sides. Another name for the side is a face. But then how many corners? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. Remember that we named corners. Another name is vertices. So our cube, made up of squares, it's 3D with 6 sides, 8 vertices. Our bonus shape of the day, we've talked about before. It looks like this. It has 1 flat side, 2 flat sides. Do you see any vertices on this shape, friends? No, no vertices. It is called a cylinder. Let's open it up and read it. A can is a cylinder. A cylinder also rolls like a sphere if you tilt it down on its side. And I found a sphere at home. My favorite gum container, is a cylinder. I found this cylinder at home to match our new shape, the cylinder. Now, boys and girls, your challenge today is see if you can find some cubes at home and some cylinders. I hope you had fun with math today. Bye-bye.